Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're doing a really simple, quick video, and it is going to be a list of ways how to make money as a teen, because I'm pretty sure almost everybody watching this is a teenager. Most of you guys. But yeah, I have my very significant note cards because, as we all know, in every sit-down video, I need a note card. So yeah, before I start, I'm doing shout-outs every video because I feel like it, but today's shout-out goes to Lizette. I forgot her last name, but she just hit 100 subscribers and she was early on my last video. So you guys should totally go check out her channel. Her channel name is gonna be somewhere, but yeah, that's today's shout out. So yeah, so I have 15 ways that you can make money as a teen, and then a bunch of stores that I think hire under 16. Don't take my word for this, it's just what Google said. So yeah, this is everything. I think everything's gonna be a list in the description box, and then they'll also pop up on the screen. So way number one is the classic babysitting business. You can start this by yourself or with a group. It's really self-explanatory. Just get yourself out there. Start by asking around your neighborhood if they need babysitters, and then they'll probably start spreading your name around. So yeah. Next, we have dog sitting, which is the same as babysitting, but you're babysitting a dog, so that's one's kind of cool. Next, we have car cleaning and then car washing, and I've washed cars before. You can really just go around your neighborhood asking people if they need stuff to get done, and cleaning car and washing car are two very good things that most people need done. Number 5 is tutoring, and I wanted to tutor for a long time, but I know for a fact that in junior year I'm gonna start tutoring. So you guys should tutor younger kids on subjects that you are very strong in. You don't even have to be strong in them, but if somebody like needs help, or you can tutor around your school, that would be an easy way. I don't think they pay you in school, but if you tutor outside of school, that would be a great way to make money. Next, you can take surveys online. Now all you have to do is go to Google and search up surveys you can take to get money. You can search that up, and then I'll just put on the screen some websites that you can fill out surveys on, and they will pay you filling out surveys. So yeah. Next, we have swag bugs, and I wrote this down because I knew what it was, but I totally forgot what it was. So I'm probably just gonna put a clip of me telling you what it is, or check the description box probably. But that's the 7th way. Next is something I also forgot how to use it, but Twitch TV. I'm pretty sure that's where you watch TV and they pay you to judge them, but yeah, so that's the 8th way. 9th is selling old clothes, and you can do this on an app/website called Poshmark. I've wanted to do this, but I've chosen to donate my clothes instead. But you can totally sell old clothes, shoes, stuff like that. And next we have selling art. So you could totally just make art and then open an Etsy shop, or make your own website, which is what I did. If you guys didn't know, I sell friendship bracelets, and I do have my own website. It is bianca.com, and if you open that, you will see my whole business. So yeah, selling art and stuff like that. Next, we have house sitting, which is similar to dog sitting and babysitting, but at the same time it's not. House sitting is when somebody, I guess they go on vacation or something, and you take care of the house, like keeping it clean. I know you guys just saw that fly. Probably leave a pet in there or something, but just keeping the house clean and monitoring the house while they're gone. Next, we have selling stock photos. So I will put the 2 things on the screen that I saw that you can sell stock photos on, and there'll be 1 and 2. But you could check out those websites. And selling stock photos, you just take pictures and then they'll take your photos they'll pay you for your photos. So if you're a good photographer, that's totally something you should try. Next, we have testing websites. There's gonna be websites for each of these things that show up on the screen because I didn't write down any names. These are just general things. But you can test websites for people and they will pay you. So that's gonna pop up over there. 14 is using Ibotta, and that sounds so weird because I don't remember what any of this stuff is, but I'll probably put what Ibotta is on the screen. So yeah, and 15, review songs for money, which is exactly what it sounds like. They're gonna pay you to tell them your thoughts on the song. So yeah, the next section is, if you can hear me over the generator, that's gonna be a miracle. But the next section is places that hire under 16. Now, some of these are popular places, but yeah, okay. So first we have McDonald's. Everybody knows what McDonald's is. Fast food chain, very big fast food chain. Next we have Safeway, which I'm pretty sure is a grocery store, if I'm not mistaken, I hope. Next we have Baskin Robbins and ice cream shop. I know a lot of the Baskin Robbins that I've been to are attached to Dunkin' Donuts, so maybe Dunkin' will hire you too. Next you have Chick-fil-A, also a very big fast food chain, mainly in the South though. So yeah, we have Six Flags, which is an amusement park that I'm pretty sure they have all over the country. Burger King is next, also fast food chain. AMC theaters, which are movie theaters that are movie theaters. They're movie theaters. We have Publix, which is very popular grocery store. Ben & Jerry's, which is also an ice cream shop. Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen's a fast food chain, I guess. I only get ice cream from there though, but they do have food. Brewster's, also an ice cream place, but they do have really small locations, which is kind of cool because you only work with like 2 or 3 other people. And last we have Kroger, which is a grocery store. That was a really good video for anyone trying to make money as a teen, as in for 13 through 15, because I'm pretty sure after 15 many places will hire you. But I hope you guys have an awesome day. I hope this video gave you some inspiration, and don't forget to be kind. Love you all. Bye guys.